Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use the PLOS Journals Scraper by ParsForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. It's used to collect structured research article data from PLOS ONE. This is useful for researchers, students, and data teams that want to automate literature discovery instead of manually browsing papers. This actor extracts scholarly article data from PLOS ONE, one of the largest open-access scientific journals in the world. It collects article titles, authors, abstracts, publication dates, DOIs, and even research metrics like views and citations. All of the data comes from publicly available open-access sources and is ready for analysis. So, how does it work? There's two ways to use this scraper. If you've already ran a search, you can paste the URL here and scrape that data. Or, if you want more control, you can use these filters. That include a search query, a subject area, any author, and any publication date. Just remember that they're both mutually exclusive, so you have to choose one. Let's say we want to search about genetics in the biology and life sciences, and we'll select a date. We'll ask the actor to search for any publications from September 2024 up until now. Now, when you're ready, you can either start the run or schedule the actor to run in any time frame you need. For this demo, we'll run it once. Now, we'll let the actor do its magic. When the run finishes, each article appears as a structured record in this table, which you can find in the Output tab. You'll see the article title, authors, abstract, subject areas, publication date, and direct links to the article page in PDF. You can download this set as a CSV, JSON, or Excel file. This makes it easy to plug it into reference managers, spreadsheets, dashboards, or research analysis pipelines. The PLOS Journal Scraper is ideal for automating literature reviews, tracking new research, and building structured academic datasets. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you like the scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.